Yeah. Nice.
Oh, I was working on overall strength. Flexibility is something I've struggled with for a while with my back, especially because with the high jump, there's a lot of physicality to it. So I've been working on adjusting my technique a little bit, but not too much because you don't want to change too much, especially before competition. I'm really excited to be competing with some really good competitors, and I think it's going to be a really good learning experience for me, especially as I continue my athletics into college. It'll be good to jump with some really serious guys.